Hi guys, today we are going to make ผัดกระเพราไก่ไข่ดาว or Thai basil chicken with fried egg. This is very simple and quick recipe that you can knock up in a few minutes. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Here are the ingredients for ผัดกระเพราไก่ today. Thai chili, garlic, chicken. I use chicken breast today. This is about 500 gram. Fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, basil, chili spur, egg, brown sugar, palm sugar. So this time I mix the palm sugar and brown sugar together. And also I use olive oil for stir fry. And I use soy oil for fried egg. This is Thai basil, or we call bai gra pao. We normally use in stir fry or pad gra pao. And you can also add in gang pet as well. The Thai basil or bai gra pao has anise taste in it and give a little bit spicy when you eat it. And it will go together with pad gra pao gai. And the other type of basil is sweet basil. We put in green curry and lemon basil we call bai mang lak. Normally we put in gang liang. We eat pad gra pao gai with fried egg. It will go together very well. I'm going to show you how to slice the chicken for pad gra pao. We need to slice it thinly because pad gra pao gai very quick. And also if you slice it thin, the chicken will absorb to the flavor better than you cut it in cube. You can also mince the chicken as well for pad gra pao gai. And you can also use other meat like beef and seafood, but the most common is chicken and pork. So now I got my chicken slice. For chili spurs, I slice it up. You can take the seed off. And the basil. For the basil, we can take it off from the stem. Get ready for stir fry. We can just need a handful for the basil. For next step, I going to pound the chili and garlic together. If you don't want your pad gra pao to be spicy, you can put less chili in there. And that's it. We just want it done right like this, not too fine like other curry. Olive oil, about 1 tablespoon or 1.5. Stir fry the chili and garlic. Once you get aromatic from the garlic, you can put the chicken in there. Then add oyster sauce, soy sauce. Fish sauce. Don't add too much yet. You can taste it later. Palm sugar and brown sugar. You can also add black soy sauce to make the color a little bit dark and beautiful than the pale color. So I add a little bit of oyster sauce because it's not get in the right taste yet. Once you get the taste right, you add Thai basil last. And the heat got to be high, otherwise the basil will get dark, get black and not nice. Alright, this is done.